my shugs. Today we actually are cooking. Yes, I'm gonna show you how I make my pescatarian friendly veggie Philly cheesesteak sliders. Yes, I know you'd be like, what? How is that possible? But stay tuned, and if you would like to, hit the description box and get the ingredients and cook with me. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, you guys ready? Y'all ready? These are the ingredients that I'll be using today. So we're gonna start off by sauteing our peppers and onions in a skillet, of course, with any oil that you'll like. Now let's get into some seasonings. These are the ones that I'll be using today. And also I wanna mention I used vegetable broth at the time that I put in my MorningStar crumbles, and I didn't get a chance to film that part. Now the bread I'm using today is none other than King Hawaiian rolls. It goes best with this, trust me. You can use regular slider buns, but this one gives it a sweet buttery taste. Next, go ahead and grab a bread knife and cut that bad boy right in half. Now I know you got your eye on them peppers, but while they're cooking, go ahead and make the garlic butter. It's just a stick of butter, parsley, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now while my peppers are halfway done, I'm gonna go ahead and add my MorningStar veggie griller crumbles. When I tell you I use these for everything, they are so flavorful. You gotta try it. We're gonna let this simmer for probably only 3 minutes, and don't forget, this is the portion where I added the vegetable stock, but I didn't get a chance to record it. Now let's go ahead and get that bread prepped a little bit. I just put a little bit of that garlic mixture that I had on the stove on my buns. I'm gonna go ahead and add our provolone slices. Technically this is about 5 slices, but use your discretion. How cheesy do you want it? All right, you guys, let's go ahead and put a layer of that MorningStar meat and peppers onto our bun and cheese. Ooh, I can't wait. And you guys be careful, because the first time that I made these, I packed them too much and then just end up looking like Sloppy Joe. So just watch your portion control with this. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese. So give us that good cheese pull. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so go ahead and add the top layer back to your buns. Now I actually suggest that you brush on your garlic concoction on your buns, but I couldn't find my little brushy thing, so we're just gonna lightly pour it over and try to coat each and every bun. All right, you guys, get the brushy thing. Don't be me. So now that our butter concoction is evenly coated, we're gonna put these in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. Just that quick, you guys, we are finished. Now these are a little bit hot when you first take them out the oven, so please be careful. All right, you guys, it is definitely 15 minutes and not 20, because the first picture that I have is definitely from the first time that I tried this. This is how it actually came out. Don't ask me why I did 20 minutes instead of 15, but actually when I taste them, they taste really good. If you thought that I was still not gonna keep my promise and make a video, you crazy. So stay tuned later for how to make lemons out of lemonade mukbang with these sandwiches. Thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate you immensely. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.